Hello everyone, this is Mike Gutierrez, the retired farmer, and today I'm gonna explain what I've been working on for the last 2 or 3 weeks. This here is gonna be my new workshop. I need a workshop because I have a lot of stuff that I'm storing everywhere. Like right now, I'm storing all my tools in the container. And they're not very accessible, and I have to walk over the lawnmower. And in the other container, I store Bob. And even though I have more tools in the back, those are really not very accessible. So I need a place where I can work with a workbench. So that's why I'm building. I left that big opening on purpose to put the double doors, but now I don't know anymore. I had left the opening because I had planned to put these doors and these windows in the new place, but I rented this place now, so I don't know. So the next step is going to be pouring the concrete, because I'm already going to be looking into it, because right now everything is just standing, nothing is anchored to the ground. So hopefully once the concrete ties all the columns, they're going to be cemented in, no pun intended, and it will be a lot sturdier. I'm also doing a slab back here, which I'm going to put 3 layers of block, because this is going to be my new fish tank for my tilapia. Because of course you have to have fish protein. And this is how my raised beds are going since the last time I showed you. The malangas are doing good. All the yuccas came out. This is the bok choy that I already transplanted. It's coming along. This is radishes. For some reason the beets are not doing very well. Must not like the soil. And only one lettuce. One lettuce made it. Crazy. This entire section here was planted with lettuce and only one came out. So anyway, this is my current project. It's gonna have a door back here and a double door in the front. And the next step will be to put the plywood on the roof after the concrete. And these are the metal sheets that I salvaged from the chicken coop in the old place, and the entire wood of the roof is also from the chicken coop, so everything should fit. And in the next video there will be more improvements, more advance. All right, that's all I got. I wanted you to see it. Hope you come along and see the next one, where it will be a lot more finished up, probably with windows and doors and walls and a roof, of course, and a floor. So basically we don't have much, just the skeleton, but it's coming along. All right. all I got. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.